How to create ZenGo account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create an account on ZenGo app. The process is really easy and simple, so I'll guide you through it. Before we begin, make sure you have installed the ZenGo app on your phone. Now let's get started. First, open the ZenGo app on your phone. You'll see a welcome screen. After that, you'll be directed to the next page. If you have a referral code, tap where it says tap here to enter your code. Otherwise, just simply enter your email address in the provided box. Once you have entered your email address, tap on continue. Then you'll need to verify your email address and tap on open my email. As soon as you receive the email from ZenGo app, click to confirm. After that, you need to enable a device lock to secure your account. Tap on enable device lock. And then you need to go through a few steps which involve setting up a security code for your account. After that, you will be directed to a page where you can choose to buy crypto, receive crypto, or explore the app. For now, I'll tap on explore the app. And now, as you can see, we have successfully logged into our account and we can easily start using the app. That's how you can create a ZenGo account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.